nowadays you see the gig economy, right? I mean, why not when an Uber can bring in like tens of thousands of these drivers together, right? I mean, why can't I bring software engineers, like 30 of them or 50 of them, and make it into a team, right? But we have to observe one thing. Most of these gig economies, they are one-to-one, right? The employer and the employee, or the contractor and whatever the company, right? And these are all short gigs, right? You do small tasks like delivering a parcel, or delivering a person from place A to place B, or getting some plumbing work done. These are all small gigs which do not entail complex processes or complex integrations or collaboration, extensive collaboration, right? That's when you need to have a team that actually works very well together, right? So I mean, of course, this is life, and people leave jobs. I mean, they change jobs, right? And this cycle of you bringing in new people and integrating into the team, this is a never ending cycle, right? I mean, if you're trying to build a product that lasts and that finds success and it is successful, then obviously, I mean, this entire process is never ending. You have to be ready for that. So ramping up, running it, right? And scaling it on all these facets, right? And finally, there is also legal liabilities to consider, right? I mean, what about background checks, right? What about taxation and liabilities, which might not be very visible right now, but in future, right? So all of these kind of things. What about enforcing your NDAs, right? Will you be able to enforce an NDA in, let's say, some country, right? From here, right? So all of these things too need to be considered. Yeah.